Hello everyone, welcome to our channel HT Talks. Previous video I give the explanation of truss. Previous video links are available in description. In this video I explained how to create this structure in staad-pro software. This is the truss having x and y axis. First coordinate 0, 0, 0. Second 4, 0, 0. X axis 4 meter, y axis 0. Third 9, 0, 0. Fourth 15, 0, 0. This coordinate have x and y axis, x 4 meter, y 4 meter. So 4, 4, 0. This coordinate 9, 4, 0. 5 plus 4, 9 meter. X axis 9 meter, y axis 4 meter. So 9, 4, 0. 15, 4, 0. Open the staad-pro software. New project. Space. Truss. Length unit meter. Force unit kilonewton. Next. Add beam. Finish. The first coordinate point 0, 0, 0. 4, 9, 15. 4, 9, 15. Copy. Paste. These three coordinates having y-axis same distance 4 meter. 4, 4, 4. Change view. Add beams icon. Connect the nodes. Truss structure is formed. Then general. Define. Assign profile. Double angle. Add. Close. Assign to view. Assign. Yes. Then support. Trusses having pinned supports. Create. Pinned. Add. Select. Assign. Load and definition. Load case details. Add. Load case 1. Add. Close. Load case 1. Add. Node and load. They have 20, 15 and 5 kilonewton. Y direction minus 20. Add 15. Add 5. Add. Close. Select load. Use cursor to assign. Analysis print. No print. Add. Close. Analyze. Run analysis. View output file. Done. This is the output file. Deflection. Change the scale factor. Displacement 1. Apply. This is the deflection. Bending moment. Change the scale factor. 1. Okay, this is the bending moment. Shear force. Apply. Okay, this is the shear force. Video view of the truss. Dimension. To check the dimension, click the dimension tool. Remove. Remove. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.